I think whoever is going to test this, wow, this is nice. Beautiful people, what's up everybody, how you doing? I'm coming live from the big city Bangkok, the capital city of Thailand. Man, if it is your first time to see me here, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Just give us a like on this very video and give us a subscription if you haven't subscribed. Now I'm going to a certain local market, yeah, and this market is real nice because it has second-hand products, yeah man. So it's where I'll be taking you guys, and of course I'm in their big parking road. This is how it looks like here, man. Yeah, this is their parking. It's a market for second-hand items only. Yeah, many people come from different places to come and buy second-hand products from this market. And the market I'm talking about is behind those buildings, and it's where we're going. Let's go and see what we can buy from there. Yeah man, let's get there. And of course it is still early, you know, the parking lot is still almost half empty. Yeah, see, we still have space. Imagine at night how it will be like. Then guys, let's get into that video and see. So these are remotes, TV remotes. They also have bags, second-hand bags. And you see that one? It's very nice. Pure leather, 100%. The belts are here. Wallets, unisex wallets for both male and female. Rings, in case you want to propose someone's daughter, man. There are some local Thai bangles here. Jersey, sports jersey, Lionel Messi. Seafood. Wadi Kap?
Wadi Kap.
How are you doing? I'm filming something here.
Oh.
Yeah. What's this in Thai? How do you call this in Thai?
10 baht.
No, yes, I know. What is the name?
โป๊บพันฮอทดอก
Hot dog?
ฮอทดอก
In Thai version, right?
โอ้
In Thai or American version?
เคลียร์ได้ปอ อะไรดีจ๊ะ
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you. Okay. This is a local market here in Thailand. Let's get into this video and see what will happen.
เราจะไปซื้อน้ำเหรอ
And those of you who used to ride bicycles, you know what we are talking about. This side we have maize, fruits, oranges. So we just here where they make spice food and they mix in tomatoes and other stuff. Let's see how they make spicy food.
Thailander.